We're going to delete files from OneDrive, and we'll make sure this won't affect files on our PC. And to get started, when we check on our OneDrive, we have this simple problem: not enough cloud storage. In this video, we're going to make sure we've deleted all the files on our OneDrive, but at the same time, these files will not be deleted on our PC. And when we proceed to click on Open Folder, it will show us the various files on our OneDrive, and which makes it impossible for us to have any other files added to our OneDrive. So we're going to navigate back to our OneDrive and click on it. Then on the top right corner, we have this settings gear. Then proceed to tap on settings, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On the left side, you could see account. Make sure to tap on it, and then under account, proceed to tap on unlink this PC, and then continue to tap on unlink account, and this will unlink our account from the PC. So now any actions that we're going to take on our OneDrive will not be affected on our PC. After you are done with it, make sure to open your browser, and in my case, I'm using the Chrome browser. In the address bar, I'm going to type google.com, and in the search engine, I'm going to type OneDrive Live, and make sure to tap on enter. Then among the search results, we're going to open the first one, which is onedrive.live.com. Then make sure to allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then here you're going to enter your OneDrive email or phone number. In my case, I'm using this, and this will land us on our OneDrive account. On the left panel, we have a tons of options. We have our files, photos, shared, and recycled bin. And up and above, we have this warning: you are running low on storage. And beside it, we have the manage storage. So we're going to proceed to tap on manage storage, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. After we land on this interface, we have the option for storage summary, which will give us the breakdown of what we are using on our OneDrive. And currently you could see we have tons of files being stored on our OneDrive, which is close to 88%, and that has the pink color. And in order for us to free this space, we're going to proceed to tap on OneDrive beside free app space, and this will pull out all the files we have on our OneDrive. So you have the option to select all these files, or you can navigate to select it individually. So when you go through and you realize any of the files that you don't want to delete it, you can proceed to untick it, and that files will not be deleted. After you are convinced with all the selected items, we're going to proceed to tap on delete, and then continue to delete it. So we have to wait a moment, as it's going to delete 200 items right away. After this is done, we're going to make sure to refresh this page, and you could see that at the bottom left, we have only used 0.3 gig out of the 5 gig storage that we previously had, and this means we have a tons of storage that we can use for our future activity. Well, that's it. This is how you can delete files from OneDrive without deleting it from your PC. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.